Today we're gonna be doing a brake lever replacement on your RX7. Tools you will need will be a needle nose vice grips and a T25 Torx. So begin by removing the plastic covers covering the brake line and the brake sensor cable. So find the brake sensor cable right here and unplug it. Right, once you do so, locate that zip tie and move it to the back so you can have space to work on, as well as the plastic cover on the brake line. Grab your vice grips and unscrew this screw right here. So it is pretty tight. That's why we recommend using this tool right here. So make it as tight as possible and carefully unscrew. Once you do so, you can remove it by hand. So, and pull the brake line out. Now grab your T25 tool and you will have to remove the two screws holding the brake lever bracket right here. Screw those two bolts and the old brake lever should come out easily. So then get your new brake lever, put it back in place, make sure you grab your bracket along with the bolts and screw the two bolts back in. Make sure those two bolts are tight, but not too tight, because you can break the bracket holding the brake lever. So just tight enough to hold it in place. Once you do so, adjust the angle you want it to. And you can put your brake line inside the brake lever again. Slide it in, screw it by hand and make it as tight as you can with your vice grip tool. Just like that. You can plug back in the brake sensor cable. It's color coded so it's easy to locate. Make sure it's in the right orientation. It goes back in. Put back the plastic cover on the brake line. And you got your plastic cover on. And wrap the plastic covers back they were before.